Hey everyone, welcome back to New Cars Technology. Ferrari has just unveiled something exciting for convertible lovers. Almost a year after revealing the successor to the beautiful Ferrari Roma, the Italian brand has now removed the roof from its newest Grand Tourer. Meet the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi Spider, a stunning convertible that keeps everything great about the coupe while adding the thrill of open-top driving. Let's take a closer look. From the outside, the Amalfi Spider looks nearly identical to the coupe, at least from the belt line down. And that's actually a good thing. The car keeps the same smooth, flowing bodywork and elegant yet muscular design that made the coupe so attractive. The biggest change, of course, is the retractable soft-top roof. Ferrari chose a fabric roof instead of a folding hardtop to keep the design sleek and lightweight. The roof can open or close in just 13.5 seconds, and it works even while driving at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. When folded, the trunk is only 8.7 inches thick, which helps preserve cargo space. With the top down, the trunk still offers 6.1 cubic feet of storage, and with the roof closed, that space increases to 9.0 cubic feet. Ferrari also worked hard to make sure the soft top feels just as refined as a hard top. The roof uses a 5-layer fabric design that provides excellent soundproofing and heat insulation, similar to Ferrari's retractable hardtop systems. Buyers will have plenty of customization options. The roof is available in 6 different colors, and Ferrari even offers contrast stitching for extra visual flair. There are also 2 fabric styles available. One is a tailor-made version with 4 color choices. The other is a technical fabric, available in 2 colors, featuring a special weave pattern that creates a shimmering effect in the light. Ferrari is also introducing a new exterior paint color for this model called Rosso Tramonto, which has a deep, sun-dried, tomato-like red finish. Under the hood, the Amalfi Spider uses the same engine as the coupe. That means a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8. This powerful engine produces 631 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The Spider also features magnetorheological adaptive dampers, which continuously adjust suspension stiffness for better ride and handling. Ferrari has also added its new brake-by-wire system, designed to improve braking precision and response. Because of the convertible structure, the Amalfi Spider is slightly heavier. Ferrari says the car has a dry weight of about 3,430 pounds, which is almost 200 pounds heavier than the coupe. Despite that, performance remains extremely impressive. The Amalfi Spider can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, and like the coupe, it has a top speed of 199 miles per hour. Inside the cabin, the Amalfi Spider looks almost exactly like the coupe. The dashboard features a 10.3-inch central touchscreen, which is the main control hub for the car's infotainment system. Drivers also get a 15.6-inch digital instrument cluster, while passengers have their own 8.8-inch display mounted on the dashboard. One welcome change is the steering wheel. Ferrari has moved away from touch-sensitive haptic controls and returned to physical buttons and rotary dials, which many drivers prefer. The car also keeps its small rear seats, although they are mostly useful for extra luggage rather than adult passengers. Since this is a convertible, Ferrari also added a special feature to improve comfort when driving with the roof down. There's a wind deflector integrated into the rear seat backrest. At the push of a button, it rises automatically to reduce wind turbulence inside the cabin. This system can operate at speeds of up to 106 miles per hour, helping keep the interior calm and comfortable even during high-speed cruising. Ferrari has not officially announced pricing for the Amalfi Spider yet. However, the Amalfi Coupe starts at around $266,810, so the convertible version will likely cost closer to $300,000. Ferrari is expected to launch the Amalfi Spider in the US before the end of the year. So, the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi Spider combines beautiful Italian design, a powerful twin-turbo V8, and the thrill of open-top driving. It keeps everything that made the coupe great and adds the excitement of a convertible. What do you think? Would you take the Amalfi Spider over the coupe? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to New Cars Technology for more luxury car news, supercar reveals, and the latest automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.